What's up everyone, John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here. Google's I.O. is coming up very quickly next month, and I thought this would be a fun time to put together my wish list for the next generation Android operating system, Android 5.0 Key Lime Pie. Let's go ahead and take a bite. So let's go ahead and start with the first one, and these are in no particular order. First, complete Android backups. So I know there's some things you can do if you root, and there are third parties that'll do some backups. What I want is what iOS has, a full backup that I can restore on any Android device. My home screen will be the way it was, my apps will be the way they were, and if it's something that was unique to that particular platform, that manufacturer, then maybe that wouldn't show up, but everything else would be exactly the same, including SMS, MMS, contacts. That is what I'm hoping for, so fingers crossed. And speaking of SMS, the next feature I would love Key Lime Pie to have is SMS integration across multiple devices, including tablets. And that's a rumored feature that actually we're hearing Key Lime Pie might actually have. So if you use a Nexus 7 or a Nexus 10, all your text and stuff will show up right there as well. The next one, visual voicemail. There are a ton of third-party visual voicemail apps for Android. I use Umail. Some carriers will put visual voicemail bundled in, but I want it completely included and working seamlessly with the native dialer in Android. I would love to be able to see that in there. Next, scrolling notifications. That sounds like kind of a weird one, I know, but imagine a newsfeed in the drop-down notification bar or a stock ticker like iOS. We could see more information from an email besides just a few lines or text from a social network notification. I think it'd be kind of cool to improve notification trays. So hopefully Google's gonna be something like that. Next is a rumor we've been hearing quite a bit, and if I was to guess on any of these that would come true, this would be the one, Babel. I would like more than just Google Talk and Google Hangouts. I think what we need to see is a unified chat platform that combines clients across Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, etc. That could be a huge win over iMessage, which doesn't really expand to the PC, unfortunately. So if you could just sit at a desktop, whether you're at a Mac or a PC, and be able to message, and I know that we've got things like Google Chat does kind of that, but I would like a more seamless experience, and Google's got Babel ready to go, so hopefully we'll be able to get a Babel on. Alright, so this is a big one for me. I want pure Android always as an option, and I doubt this is going to happen, but I would love for there to be a new set of APIs or new regulations, whatever it might be, for Key Lime Pie that when manufacturers put their skins on top of it, they had to adhere to certain rules, which meant that it could be turned off if you wanted to. So imagine going up to pick a brand new HTC One and you realize, Sense isn't for me. Flick it off, suddenly you are using native Android. Go get your brand new S4, you're like, TouchWiz, no thank you. You get native Android experience. I would love for the skins to be a user option. And also what that could mean is that you could download other skins. Imagine running Sense on a Samsung device. Now I know this is probably never gonna happen, but I'd really, really like to be able to have the choice whether or not I wanna run a skin version of Android or just a native, unadulterated, pure Android love. And we've kind of seen the first step of these skins being able to be turned off, like on Facebook Home. So if maybe there was some way to do that with everything, I'd be super happy. Next, actionable NFC. NFC, at least for me, has not been super usable. So instead of choosing a song or a picture, then choosing to send it, why can't we just tap NFC-enabled device together and then choose what we want to send? That seems much more seamless. So instead of selecting a picture and then tapping it, just tap the phones, select picture right on there, you can send anything that you want. That would work out well for me. Alright, next, let's go to native multi-view support. So Samsung offers this on its handsets, but why not give it the native option to run applications side by side or in smaller windows or like pop-out video like on Samsung's devices? Processors are beyond capable of handling this now. I think it'd be really cool to see, be a great way to sort of improve multitasking. I think it would make things just look kind of cooler. So obviously there are a lot of things underneath the hood I'd like to see. I'd like to see Project Butter continue to get more buttery. But as far as new features, these are the ones that I would really like to see. Am I missing something? Leave your comments down below and let me know what you want to see in Key Lime Pie. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Give this video a big fatty thumbs up. I am John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo, and I'll see you guys in the next video.